Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your App Store balance to $0. So in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to do that. First, you just need to adjust some settings on your iPhone. And this may also work on your iPad. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, check that no VPN is connected. If you do have a VPN connected, go to Settings. Then tap General, scroll down, and select VPN and Device Management. From here, just disconnect the VPN. Once that's done, go back and open the App Store. Tap on your Apple ID at the top and go to Manage Payments. Here, you will see all your payment methods. Simply remove all payment methods from this section. This is especially important if you're trying to change your App Store region and face issues. Before changing the region, Apple requires you to reset your balance to $0. So, by clearing all your payment methods, you can easily do this. After removing the payment methods, you can proceed to change your region if you want. If not, you can skip this step. So in this video, I've shown you how to restore or reset your app. Store balance to $0. Just make sure to follow these settings carefully. That's it for this video. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.